Hello guys, the top-level programming. This phrase is from the Microsoft and the C#9, but I'm using that in the Autodesk Inventor and iLogic. I will show you what's going on. First of all, let's open that geometry which we made in the previous tutorial. It's just a simple cube with a single parameter length, and that's all. Now I will close this geometry and start the assembly. This assembly is a top-level assembly and will contain our and will contain our length geometry from the previous tutorial. And there is it. So we have there the top-level assembly and the model itself. As we can see, this geometry got the own iLogic. That means it has the startup rule and it has the menu form, and also it has one event trigger on a startup. After open document, execute the startup rule. I will remove all of these stuff from the part. Now is our model, our part, completely clean from iLogic stuff. And we will promote all of these rules into top-level assembly. First thing, I will create the numeric parameter length. Second thing is create the form with the name menu. And put there the length parameter. We can also make it as a slider with the maximum value 20, for example. We can add the rule startup. This startup rule will show us our form with the name menu. So it's work, but if we will moving the slider, it's do nothing, because this parameter is assigned to the assembly, but there is no passing to our length geometry, to our part. I will create the other rule that is with the name the passing parameter, and take the length from our assembly and assign it to the length from our part. Is equal to length. That means the length in our length geometry is equal from the length from our assembly. I will save that and close it. Now if I will move this slider, it immediately passes the parameter to our part, and it works. We can also add the startup rule to our event after open document. So after open document, this assembly, it executes the startup rule, which show us our menu. And if we will change the parameter, the rule passing parameter will pass this value into our part. That is a top-level programming, because we have every code, every single rule, and every single form we have inside the top-level assembly, and we have nothing in this child object. If you have any question, put the comment below or send me an email, which you can find in the description.